Welcome back to the channel. Just a very special one here today. I want to teach you how to make your very own racking system like the one behind me to display your RC vehicles. Now, if you haven't done so already, like, subscribe, do all that fun YouTube stuff because this video is going to be awesome. To be honest with you, I've been, just been in the hobby for not really quite some time, but a couple of months now, and absolutely love it. So I wanted to display my 5th scale RCs for all to see, really. I've got a beautiful home and a really nice office, so I really just wanted to have a place for my RC vehicles so everybody can appreciate them as much as I do. So I hope this video helps you out. If you're looking for a very unique way to display your vehicles, this is it. This is the video for you. And to be honest with you, it only takes about 15 minutes to do so. So look, I'll hop straight into it. What you need, what I've done, I'll take you for a little bit of a trip. Let's go to Bunnings. Bunnings is I would say a hardware store in Australia, but you can get all the materials you need from any hardware store in any country or wherever country you're watching from right now. And they are relatively cheap. Oh my God. Let's go to Bunnings. So as I'm wandering through Bunnings and just exploring the shelves and stuff, you can understand this place is massive. All hardware stores. It's one of the biggest hardware stores in Australia. So it is massive. And trying to find something, I had to ask. So I did my research online prior, and I was able to find the location and the shelves. So this is exactly what you need to be able to do the racking system. The racking system itself. This is the rails would go onto the wall, and that way you can put the brackets on. Itself, it's about 2.5 meters long, I would say, and it is, it's, I don't know, sturdy as hell. What one thing is that I needed to find the right brackets for it. So they're the shelving arms. So I purchased these. Now these are sturdy, very heavy duty. It did say that it can hold about, I don't know, I think it was 40 kilos per arm. So obviously I need to buy 2 arms per car. It's easy just to slide on, slip them in and then push down, and really you can hang off these things. So this is pretty much the main tools. You've got the 2 railings plus these awesome brackets, really. And then what you will need to do, if you do have a dry wall, you'll need to get some of these wall mates. These go straight into dry wall, and then they will hold the railing, so that's the long piece of metal that you saw earlier, straight and onto your wall. And really, it's that's it. What I've actually done with my project, I measured the chassis of each vehicle and just averaged it out. It worked out to be about, I don't know, 600 millimeters wide. You can convert that into your own measurements, whatever country you're watching from. So, and then I was able just to find, I was lucky enough to find, to drill into the, I would say gyp rock, that's what we call it in Australia, but to the dry wall, and hit a beam. So you can buy the beam, I would say stud finders at the local hardware store while you're there, and they'll be able to tell you if you're, where your beam is, and then you'll be able to drill straight into that. So in that case, you don't actually need, I would say, the wall anchors, which is the white little screws, what I showed you earlier. So drilled into it, and one bracket's fitted directly onto a wooden beam in my wall, and I was able to drill straight through it, and didn't need to use the white wall anchors. And then I measured 600 millimeters out. Yeah, 600, I think it was. Yeah, but I'll get you the right measurements. 600 millimeters across, and yeah, just both railings. Obviously, get your spirit level. Make sure everything. I'm very pedantic, so you don't want any off. I don't know, RCs, not I don't know, sitting flush or sitting straight. One handy tip that I will give you is that just keep in mind is that these brackets do have the holes in them to slip the shelving bracket on. So make sure that each hole is lined up, each railing is lined up precisely, so that way when you sit your RC cars onto the brackets, they're sitting very flush. And that's it. So like, look at it. It is beautiful. I'm able to display all 5 of my beasts in my office. Here's some footage of my office, what it looked like before, and here's what it looks like now. So much room for activities. It's great. So quick, easy fix. If you're wondering how much this cost, it cost me around about $160 in material. The most expensive one was the shelving brackets themselves. There are because you have to buy them individually. I did go the 8-inch ones because I wanted the cars off the wall, but I could have gotten away with a 6-inch because of the wheels alignments. But just make sure that you do get the right length off the wall, so that way your car can actually, the brackets itself can sit perfectly in the middle of your car, and the car won't fall over. But yeah, I went safer option, and then I went straight to the 8-inch, so the wider ones there. So definitely worth it. I went with the black frame. My house does have that little bit of a modern feel to it. So I've got a staircase with a black railing, and also 2 black art photo frames as well. So I wanted to tie it into the house, so that's why I've gone black. You can also get away with white if that's your thing. And then also to what I did, just a little bit of an added extra, I got some LED strips. Now you can pick up these LED strips everywhere. I got them, because I'm obviously in Australia, I got them from Kmart. So I think they were like $10. So all in all, $160 for a project that looks as awesome as this. I can't complain. Yeah, so look, I really hope that you got something out of that. Now, if you want some more detailed, or if you've got any questions about this really simple build, or if you've hit if you're currently doing the build right now, and you're stuck, put it in the comments. I'm always monitoring. I am very new to YouTube, so I get really excited when I see new subscribers and the subscriber count rising, and likes and comments, and people people talking to each other and engaging in conversations within the comments. So I am online, and I'm more than happy to answer any questions that you have, or anything that I've missed out in this video. So look, again, I hope that you found this video very helpful, and then you can make your own racking system for yourself. I'll catch you next time. See you next Monday. This is me out. Like, subscribe, do all that fun YouTube stuff, and I'll talk to you later.